Alright, now unfortunately, this isn't a project where you put this piece together, you set it on the axle, and bam, it fits. Normally, you'd have to do a little trimming on this piece here to get it to fit around all the contours and stuff. Just some slight sanding on the inside. In my case, I've welded on these Artec Industries lower spring mounts and these lower mounts from Barnes and plated the lower mounts, and so I have to make some clearancing for that. I also need to cut out a little piece on the inside right here to account for this upper truss. Okay, that's much better. So if I line this right up in the middle, then I can mark where I need to cut, mark how deep it needs to cut. And this is going to be a lot of back and forth with the grinder and the cutter. Mark the outside of that one, make sure it doesn't move. Now it's time for the very slow and tedious part of welding this thing together, because you want to weld here and there and over here and up here and down here and over there and way back there, and let each weld cool so that you're not taking this axle and bending it up like the back of the cage did. Some people will strap it down, but I'm not going to do that because I know this method works. It's worked for dozens of other people before. So take a good look right now, because after I weld it, it's going to look ugly. still got to finish welding all this up. I've tacked it in a bunch of different places, letting each tack cool really good so that I'm not going to bend the axle. Now that it's all fixed in one place, I can go and weld a couple inches in each spot, nice and slow and taking my time. Can also finish welding up these lower spring mounts and these lower shock absorber mounts. I've got this little pulley to weld on to the back of the axle somewhere about right here. That way my suck down winch can go through this and back up to the frame. It's 100% not perfect, but I like it.